Hey friends, if you wish to increase the speed of your system and make it 3 times faster, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, open Task Manager and search for processes which are occupying a lot of disk or memory usage. If the memory usage is shooting up to 100%, then you might have to add an extra RAM. But other than that, if it is at CPU, then check for applications which are consuming a lot of system resources and disable them. In my case, there's no such application, so I'll ignore it. The second solution is to disable a few startup programs. Now in the task manager window, go to the fourth tab, this one, which reads startup apps. Click on status so that the list is sorted out by enabled first. A lot of applications must be enabled here. Right click on applications which are unnecessary. For example, let's say this one, OneDrive is unnecessary for me, and disable it, and disable all unnecessary applications so that they do not ignite at the startup itself. After this, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command temp and hit enter to open the temporary files folder. Click on any file, press Ctrl plus A and hit delete, and then click on cancel. A few files will remain here because they are still in use, but the rest will be deleted. Now press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command %temp percentage and hit enter. This will open another folder which is similar to the temporary files folder. Press Windows plus A after clicking on any file, hit delete, click on cancel. Most of the files are deleted, some are left, the ones which are currently in use. After this, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command prefetch and hit enter. Now in this window, click on any one file, press the Control key and A together and hit the delete key to delete them. Then click on cancel. After this, you can try one more fix, that is right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on installed apps in the right pane. Wait for the list to load. Make sure that sort by is selected at date installed. Check for the latest programs installed on your computer. If any of these are redundant, like this one is redundant, click on these three dots here, select uninstall and uninstall this program. Now this is for third-party programs. What about bloatware which was already present in the system itself? So for such bloatware, we will have to use PowerShell. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated PowerShell window. Now we have a list of commands here. I'll share it in the description section of this video. These commands include bloatware software on the computer itself, and these are software products which are a part of the package. For example, Xbox Identity, Bing Travel, Bing Maps, Xbox app, and all of this stuff. So you can uninstall all of this. All you need to do is copy these commands and paste them in the administrator PowerShell window. Hit enter and all of these apps will be deleted, and once these apps are deleted, you will notice that your system is significantly faster. All you need to do is right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer, and your computer will be faster upon rebooting. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel because we really need subscribers. And if you have any queries, then let us know in the comment section below so that we could answer to them. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.